Hi teens, welcome to today's STEM video series. Today we're going to look at engineering and mathematics, basically structural building integrity. So in my opinion, one of the best and most startling engineering feats is the Pantheon in Rome, Italy. So it was built around 128 AD. It might have taken a couple of decades, but it's extremely complex in its design with an unsupported dome that is absolutely huge.
Wow. And
you can Google that and read more about it. Running a close second, of course, is the Coliseum. It was built around 70 AD, and it only took 8 years to build, but it doesn't have that unsupported dome. In the tunnels underneath the Coliseum, it does use a complex series of headers and lintels that were hand carved out of stone and dropped into this place that would support massive archways. So much like those principles, we see how critical it is to support a building. So this was my first attempt. It's totally unsupported. There's no foundation. I don't think it's going to be very strong. So let's take a look. So the car wasn't going very fast, but it already knocked out one card on the back side. There we can see, just a little toy car could knock my building down. The big bad wolf would be able to do it for sure. So if we look at the construction planks, you'll see on this row of cards, I have built a foundation under it, and I was able to get a second layer. If we look at the wood planks, this header is actually totally unsupported in the middle. It is only supported here, and of course there are a couple of things that you can do to strengthen a header. It could be arched or curved, and that would give you a little more strength. It might be a different material, it might be concrete. There are a bunch of variables, and that's where math comes into play, because they do calculations on the strength of what will support it. So as you can see, without a single piece, each layer had to be supported quite frequently to maintain that structural integrity. So my last, if you have Jenga at home, that's a perfect example too of some little design things. So as we end today's video, I encourage you to check out our online resources, or when the library opens back up, we have dozens of books about buildings and structural design. I challenge each of you to build something at home using Legos. You can use cups, you can do Jenga, you can do dominoes. Send me a picture of it, okay? We'll post it for you. So we're gonna do our last thing here to see if all the dominoes topple, because they can be in contact with each other. Yay!
Woohoo!
So be sure to join us Friday at 2 p.m. for our next STEM video with Miss Irene. Be well, be safe.